मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
In recent years, the concept of protecting a person's style, voice, image, or unique mannerism under law has gained increasing significance. What once might have seemed far-fetched legal safeguards for one's persona is now at the forefront of legal debates, particularly in India's entertainment industry. A growing wave of litigation by Bollywood celebrities including Amitabh Bachchan, Anil Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Karan Johar and Nagar Arjun reflects a decisive shift toward recognizing and enforcing personality rights. But what are personality rights? Personality rights, also referred to as public rights, give individuals control over the commercial use of their identity. These rights encompass a person's name, image, voice, gesture, mannerisms, and catchphrases. Essentially, they protect a person from unauthorized exploitation or misrepresentation while allowing them to profit from their fame. Celebrities use personality rights to prevent unauthorized commercial use, protecting against the use of their identity in advertisement, merchandise, or other ventures without consent. Safeguard reputation, preventing misuse through deepfakes, fake endorsements, or AI-generated content that could harm their dignity. Control representation, ensuring they have the final say over how their persona is portrayed publicly. Combat digital exploitation, defending against modern technology threats including AI-generated content, deepfakes, and online scam. Protect financial interest, securing potential earning from their likeness and enable legal recourse for financial damages in case of exploitation. Recent legal moves in India. Now recently, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan filed lawsuits seeking protection for their names, voices, and other distinctive traits. Similarly, director Karan Johar and other film personalities have approached the Delhi High Court to prevent unauthorized commercial use, fake profiles, obscene AI-generated content, and other misrepresentations. The court has already upheld the right in multiple cases, directing platforms and individuals to remove infringing content. Bollywood has witnessed a surge in such cases over the past few years. For example, Anil Kapoor in 2023 sued website for exploiting his name, image, voice, and catchphrase Jhakaas. Whereas Jackie Shroff saw the Delhi High Court prohibit the use of his name, image, and nicknames without permission. The late Mehndi in 2002 secured legal protection when unauthorized dolls in his likeness were sold commercially. Despite these victories, India still lacks a codified law specialized dedicated to personality rights. Courts rely primarily on common law doctrines, including privacy and publicity rights, and sometimes invoke other status such as the Copyright Act, Trademark Act, and constitutional protections. Global representative on the personality rights. Now, internationally, personality rights are more systematically organized. In the United States, several states such as California and Tennessee treat public rights as statutory property rights. In Tennessee, these rights are even descendable, meaning a deceased celebrity's estate can continue to benefit from and protect their persona. Elvis Presley's estate being a prominent example. Countries like Germany, Japan, and Denmark have confided personality rights to varying degrees, protecting citizens' faces, voices, and likeness from unauthorized commercial use. Denmark, for instance, has proposed amendments ensuring every citizen owns the right for their body, voice, and face. In contrast, Indian courts considered personality rights and extensions of privacy under Article 21 of the Constitution, meaning they generally seize upon a person's death. A notable example in the 2021 case of Sushant Singh Rajput, where the Delhi High Court refused to block a film about the late actor's life, ruling that his personality and publicity rights were not heritable. The digital era challenge. Now, talking about that, technology has made the protection of personality rights increasingly complex. AI-generated content, deepfakes, and social media has heightened the risk of misuse. Recent international incidents illustrate this trend. In 2024, Hollywood writers went on strike against generative AI taking over creative work. Actress Scarlett Johansson accused OpenAI of using her voice in AI training for GPT-4o without permission, a claim that company denied. Experts argue that codifying personality rights in India could clarify legal protection, define compensation for misuse, and act as a deterrent. For instance, damages for unauthorized use or reputable harm could be explicitly included in the law. However, some lawyers contend that leaving personality rights unicodified gives court greater flexibility to interpret and enforce these rights based on context and evolving technology. Dhruv Anand notes that codification cannot keep pace with technological developments. So, integrative inspection of existing laws is critical. Vindhya S. Mani adds that awareness and proactive enforcement of existing rights are key to safeguarding personal identity. Conclusion: as technology continues to permeate every aspect of life, legal frameworks for personality rights are increasingly vital, particularly in industries reliant on individual fame and image. Indian celebrities' effort to protect their identity underscores a broader social shift, recognition that a person's likeness, voice or mannerisms are valuable assets of they deserve both legal recognition and protection. Now, while India's legal system is evolving, the combination of common law protections, intellectual property laws, and judicial interpretation currently forms the backbone of personality rights enforcement. The ongoing debates and court cases reflect a crucial balancing act between safeguarding individuals' identities and navigating the challenges of the digital age. That's all for now on this explainer. Stay tuned to the Exavera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.